Let's say this 8 liters are drawn from a cask full of wine and is then filled with water. So they are saying that there is a cask which is completely filled with wine. Now out of this 8 liters is drawn out wine and then it is filled with water, which means 8 liters of water is added. This operation is performed 3 more times, which means once you are done with this, we are going to get a mixture of wine and water, and in that mixture again you are going to remove 8 liters of the mixture and again 8 liters of water is added. So it is repeated 3 more times, which means totally we are doing this kind of replacement for 4 times. Okay, now the ratio of the quantity of wine now left in the cask to that of the cask hold originally is 16:18. Then how much wine did cask originally hold? So they are saying this, if you assume that the total amount of wine present initially is x liters, okay, and the total amount of wine remaining later by the end is, let us say, k liters. Now they are saying this, the ratio of the quantity of wine now left in the cask, which means k is to left in the cask to that of the cask hold originally. Cask hold originally means initially it, how much ever was there. So initially if you assume that x liters was there, then they are saying that k is to x is 16:81. Now they are asking what is how much wine did cask hold originally, which means what is the value of x, they are asking this. Okay, how to solve it is, let's try to find out the value of k. So what is k? K is the amount of wine left after 4 such replacements. Now we have already derived earlier the formula, so if you don't remember the formula, you have to go in the normal way of, that is going to take a lot of time. Now if you remember the formula, it is direct, right? So according to the formula, the amount of wine remaining, k in this case, will be equal to x into, what is x? X is the initial amount of wine, x into 1 minus y by x. So where the formula is like this, right? Y by x whole power n. Now let's replace everything. X we don't know how much it is, but then they are saying that every time we are going to replace 8 liters of the mixture with 8 liters of water. Therefore y is definitely 8. Y by x whole power, and this one is, it is repeated for 4 times. So 1 time and then 3 more times, that is why 4 is k. Now they have given the ratio of these two. So this one is to x equal to 16:81. So what does it mean? X into 1 minus 8 by x whole power 4 is to x equal to 16:81. Now what does it mean? This 1 minus 8 by x equal to 4th root of 16 by 81. So it will be 2 by 3. So what does it mean? 8 by x equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. So x will be equal to 24 liters. That is initial amount of wine present. Got it? So are you able to get this? They are saying that initially there is some wine and they have been continuously replacing the wine or the mixture with 8 liters of water. They have done it for 4 times. Then this will be the amount of wine remaining. Now they have already also given that the amount of wine remaining after 4 replacements, which means this one is to the initial amount of wine is to x, is 16:81. From this ratio I am able to get what the value of x is. Got it? Okay.